Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. On this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup, sprinkled with a bit of fashion and some in-betweens. If this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share with a friend. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload. I'll see you at the end of the video. Morning beautiful people. So in today's video I'm just going to be trying out this new lipstick that I got yesterday from M.A.C. It's part of the M-A.Cximal line. This shade is called Taupe. It's not new, I don't think it's new, but it's new to me, right? And it's a sleek matte. See if I can show you the shade. So you know, first I'm going to try out I'm going to be using my MAC Chestnut pencil. So this is a free one that I got yesterday from MAC. Alright, so we're just gonna line our lips with the chestnut liner. I need to zoom in a little bit on my lip, maybe. I'm going to be trying it with you guys. I haven't used it as yet. I think I sharpened my pencil a little bit too sharp. Let's brush off some of these. Now we can always go back and fix the line afterwards. Alright, so let's get the lipstick. Cute, cute. This is the color. It's like a brownie nude color. Alright, let's see how she looks. It looks good, it feels great. It says soft matte or some type of matte, but it's not drying. And we always want to go back over our lips with the liner, okay? That's what I do. Okay, it's pretty. What do you think? Now we can add a gloss, but I'm not going to. But I like the shade. What do you think? Very pretty. Okay, now I did get another one. This one I bought myself. Right, this one I don't think is new either. It's one of the Powder Kiss. I think these are newer. Yeah, Powder Kiss, and the shade is called Off the Market. So we're gonna try this one. I'm gonna leave on the liner, but let's take off this. We took off the liner as much as we could. Oh, this one, the packaging is like matte compared to this one. So this one has like silver. And this one is like a matte. Oh, this is cute. Ooh. Okay, let's try her. Alright, let's try the shade. Oh, it feels really good. I like it. It feels so good, guys. Ooh. Yummy. I like how it feels. I'm gonna put on a little bit more liner on top. Okay. The color is really, really cute. It's like it's not too chalky looking. I love it. Now we can leave it like this, or I'm going to put on some gloss. This is not by M.A.C, but I did buy M.A.C lip gloss, but it's in the mail coming. But this is a clear gloss. So we're gonna put this on. See how it looks. I'm gonna put this on the line itself. Ooh. Oh, it's cute. Look at it, really good. Definitely cute. So that's how she's looking with the gloss. So let me know what you think. So Taupe and Off the Market. Let me know which one is your favorite. And that's my quick video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. And just like that, guys, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick little, lipstick try on. Let me know what you think. Let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel. Also turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss an upload. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.